All right. So personal mission exercise. The beginning part is for you to just educate yourself again. Like everything is text based. There's some more examples. So one way to do it, and I assume that you're doing this exercise after you've completed your vision and values. You like ChatGPT that thing. You already have a lot of input. But describe your profession, or how do you see yourself from a professional point of view. My vision is, you plug in here from a vision exercise. My values are, you input here everything from values exercise. Generate 5 or 10 examples of mission statements that would fit me. And then you can say, again, put some more information about what do I want to do, who do I want to do it for, how do I want to do it, and for what purpose, right? And again, I've already done this work, so all these coaching questions are here for you. Just try with this stuff, right? It's gonna be looking through all these pieces, synthesizing, and building something new. Like what activities and endeavors you like, what are your core values, your skills, talents, and strengths, your communities you're passionate about, how can you contribute to the community or audience, how do you, what kind of changes, improvements you want to see, but you also want to facilitate and be the conduit of phrases, words, keywords. The beauty of ChatGPT is that you can plug in absolute chaos into it, just as I said, stream of consciousness, and then it will organize that stuff. So use the keywords, look at your state of flow, and then finally you will arrive into a question like, how can you now craft a concise and clear mission statement? But again, if you do all this work based on all the work that you've done already, you just plug it in, you summarize, and you say, I want to find a mission, I formulate my mission statements. Based on my writing below, generate potential options for the mission statement that would ground me in my purpose. Let me live a purpose-driven life, right? And then here you crystallize your mission statement. What do you do? Who do you do it for? How do you do it? For what purpose? Hopefully this helps. Have an insightful exercise.